Hi everyone, my name is Gina, and today I'm going to show you how to schedule social media posts inside a Go High Level using the social planner. So this is a beginner-friendly walkthrough, so even if this is your first time using Go High Level, you will be able to follow along. So before we create a post, we need to connect the social media accounts that we wanted to publish. So here inside a Go High Level, go to marketing and make sure that you are on the social media planner. By the way, Go High Level cannot post on any platform unless that platform is connected inside the social planner. So here, as you can see at the top, you'll see all the supported platforms, the Facebook, Instagram, Threads, GBP, LinkedIn, and more. If the button is gray, it means that the account is not yet connected. If it becomes active, it means it's already connected and ready to use. So let me show you how to use it using Pinterest as an example. So I will click Pinterest here, and usually it asks for a username or password. Um, or you can just log in directly to your Google account if it's actually the same login on your Pinterest. So here on my end, I already connected it before. That's why it's giving me this option. I'll go ahead and click on Give Access, and then here you go. Click on Add. As you can see, this green text showed connected. Now you can start scheduling a post. So click on this, and here it shows that we only have Pinterest connected with our Go High Level since we haven't connect yet other social media platforms. So you can post text if you want to. You can also post videos. You can also post a picture. So let me give you an example. So here you can also add on it a sample post, and then you can also put a hashtag, like for example uh, clarity coaching. And then if you haven't created yet any board on your Pinterest, you can also create on that, and you can also even schedule posts. This is very useful if you want to also make sure that when you post, viewers, or rather people or target audience really see your post at the time they are online. Now, you can also even schedule the time if you want it in the morning or PM, or even what do you call this? The time zone where you're in. So yeah, I guess that's it. That's how to connect your account and schedule posts inside the Go High Level. It's a simple way to keep your content organized and consistent across all your social media platforms. Thank you for watching.